What is happening in the job market? Why is it important? Because the job market actually gives us a very clear understanding what is happening in the economy. So sudden changes or sharp changes or slow changes can speak a lot of things. If you're working in the HR department or you're a CEO or you're a founder, you need to know what is happening in the job market so you can do the right planning for workforce acquisition and development and hiring planning based on that. So you can able to take to opportunities and also know how to handle the challenges as well too. The same way, if you're looking for a job as a professional, you know which company and which time you need to tap in and which kind of industry is giving you the best amount of opportunity. And this updates of VSHR Pro Academy Vietnam job market update will give you a real updates what's happening on a weekly basis so you can plan your strategy as an HR, CEO, or even as a job applicant so you know the right what you're gonna get. And so let's get started for what is the job market situation of Vietnam in last week. These are the industry we're going to focus in this job market, which is the key industries of Vietnam, we believe right now. If you're looking for a job or you're finding this is a key industry. Number one, banking. Then we focus about business supplies, commercial real estate. And then we're going to focus on construction, consumer electronics, consumer goods, F&B, fashion, finance, food production, insurance, marketing and ads, real estate, retail, software, internet and IT. You're probably thinking that right now, why we are putting on that software, internet and IT, why you separate them all? Because this is a big explosion is happening right now in the market since like last 1 year. There's a huge gap between any other job sector compared to IT. So we're gonna break it down into 3 categories for you so you can easily to see how it goes. So now let's see what is the job market of the last week. So let's check it out what is happening the total number of positions in industry. So we can see this one, software, internet and IT is still leading, but the total amount of jobs reduced compared to the previous week. So that's what is happening in the 4th week of February, which is kind of a different, right? But there is a spike here you can see in the finance. So to understand what is happening with finance, let's remove this software, internet and IT and then see how it happens. So when we remove the top 3, and we can see this one right now, there are top 3 jobs coming from the industry from finance, banking, and marketing and ads. And if you wanted to look in for something even good is about insurance and consumer goods are also, there is a bit of jobs there as well too. But however, finance has a huge spike compared to what it was before. So there's a lot of jobs available in finance right now. So if you are looking for jobs in finance or looking to change your jobs or want to get promoted, this is a good time. The top 2 are the one, this insurance and F&B, and all of them are kind of in the same place, but the internet, there was a bit of change in the job as well too. But now let's look into about other space, industry specific. We're gonna start with IT market job changes, and we can see this one, there is a decline of the change right now in terms of the most amount of jobs is coming from IT, and then we coming out from the software, and the less is coming from the change in the internet. So in terms of the IT has the most amount of jobs. Software used to be leading, but it's not anymore. Software dropped because last few months of time, software company heavily recruited their team. So probably this is not going to be amazing amount of job opportunity available in the market, but still it's one of the market leader. Don't forget that part. So now have a look in the financial industry market change. So in terms of the financial industry market change, we can see the finance has a huge spike over there. And the second one is followed by banking, and then we have insurance like we saw in the earlier part on the graph. So now we're gonna jump to the construction and real estate market changes, and we can see this one, there was a change in terms of the real estate. There is a job is kind of steady, it's not really going up, but it's quite steadily going up. And in terms of the commercial real estate dropping a little bit, and construction is kind of stable and going up actually and quite sharply. So if you're looking for a job in real estate and also in construction, probably this is a great time to do. And if you're hiring, you need to have some strategy to tackle the demand in the market, because there will be surplus jobs and have less talented candidates. And we can see in the F&B market, both of them are kind of declining. The job is not increasing, it's dropping. And when you move to the retail and consumer product, it's a huge drop in terms of retail. There was a high amount of jobs open, but now retail drops significantly, and consumer good is kind of stable, and other two are kind of stable, but in a very lower manner. So now you know what's happening in the job market. If you have any particular questions about anything about the job market, go ahead and comment below, or if you need any particular advice you need, go ahead and comment in the video. Ourselves love to give an advice and have a conversation with you to support your challenge or help you to get the opportunity as well too. So here's the point, do not miss out the last week update too, so you know what is happening in the job market. So to understand what is the previous week update, go ahead and click this video right now so you can watch it and can really get updated for 2 weeks. Update can give you more understanding as well too. At the same time, we update this one for every weekly basis. We publish this one, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can always get this up-to-date video as well too. And not only job update, we also publish a lot of HR training and coaching session as well too. You'll get all of it. So for you as a professional or as an HR professional, you can help you to thrive and succeed in this economy. And that's exactly what we're looking for. And let's go ahead and click right now and watch the next video, and we will see you there.